Hi guys, welcome to my new video, the continuation of the last video, the last part that we did and we didn't finish. So today I'm going to continue and show you how to finish this. So it's always the best to show the ending of whatever you start. So we start our video and we didn't end it, the last part was cut off. So I'm back here to finish. So to begin, we were here to fix only the on-click and the functions of these small icons that we added yesterday. But so today I'm going to finish it. Here we have add. So if we remember very carefully, we added the icons and we give the ID and the on-click. So whenever we click on the bus or the time, which is the cross icons, it can hide the menu, and here we can show the menu. So what we're going to style this. So we take this class, we copy, and then we come here. Now for the last menu, for the large screen, we're going to hide these icons. So you can see one is here and another one is here. So we don't want to see them on a big screen. So okay, this is another class. We dot here, then we say, and we say display will be none. Okay, the time bars has left and we remain with this one. So let's see, there's a different in times of link. So this one is here, it's under this link. So here, okay, it is between this nav. So I need to take this now, paste it and say nav dot fa display, because they are in different division. As you can see, it is gone. Now we're going to deal. Let's see, on a smaller screen. Okay, they are not here too, so we just need to show them on a smaller screen. We have our media query here at the last pad. So here, let me put them here. The first one was snap links dot fa. So we say display block. The other one was nav dot fa. This dot fa mean it is a class. That's why we put a display. We put dot before class. You can see them here. One is here and the other one is here. So what we need is to, we can design this now. You can say font size 20 pixels, maybe the color, let's say color white. Let's copy this, paste it here. We have the same font size. You can see the color has changed. So here we need to give some space. So imagine 5%. Look good. Now for this one, we are going to hide this small menu. Then after hiding, we will call it back. Now here, this is where we have design that one. That small. No, it is nav. Should be nav alone. Where we have this background, but on this one and here. So to confirm that this is the design, let us remove this one. Okay. For example, let me say -200. So this is, you can know it's very easy. Load, it disappears. So it means that is the correct design or the correct CSS for that small navigation bar. Now next we're going to move this one to the right side. So what you can say okay, padding. Let's see if it pixels and padding from left. If it pixels, let's see. It's now moving from here. Let me say percent so that more faster. It adds on that bit. It's now moving. Now from bottom, let's say percent to make our work easy. Now let add it. Okay, that's better. Let me make it higher a bit. Okay. Next is to come here on CSS. And we have seen this is our nav link. This is the ID. We need to copy this ID and come here to the bottom where we have written the script. So every function, I mean every JavaScript must be written between the script open and the script close. So anything that appear here will be for the JavaScript. Now first we say a variable which is navlink will now be equal to document dot get element by ID. For ID, remember it was navlink like that. Now here you're going to give it a function. Now the first function was on top. The first function was show menu. Let's start with the show menu. Function show menu. Function show menu. Function show menu will be equal to nav name dot style dot ride. Now it will be equal to 0. Now we are going to copy this, that is down here, and we change this one to hide menu. Hide menu. When you hide menu, it will display the 200 pixels from right to the left. So it means you will see the movement of this one from right to left. But now it has messed our here. So this one has messed. So we need to correct the enough length here. So let's remove that. So this okay, let me padding on bottom. Whoa. Let's say top 0 and padding 0. Then we say display in line row. So now we need to reduce way. I think here this is what has messed up our navigation. Yeah. So what we need to do, we need to see in the position of this here. Somewhere here. Now if we take this one out of here, it will have some big problem. Yeah, that's what I know. So padding left. I'll say text line. Right. Yeah. Now we're looking good. Okay. Now it is better. But we need to move the note to the top. So I can say padding both side. Now we should add 0 from the left side so that it move. Whoop. Put left here. And I say 5 pixels. Padding the right. Should be right. Now here we're going to add the transition so that it moves smoothly. And here transition will be 1 second. No, not here. Here. 1 second. Now it's moving very smoothly. Now thanks again for watching. And this is what we were looking to finish up. So I hope you are satisfied, and thanks. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to always get some new video like this on my channel. As you can see on big screen, we don't see all those things. So we are here. When it's on small screen, really look nice. Thanks for watching.